they give us this area under the curve as 0.3694. And what we need to do is find the z value that corresponds to this area and then convert that z to an x by using our z formula. So I use StatCrunch, and I clicked on Stat, Calculators, Normal. Down at the bottom, I changed it to a greater than or equal to. And then where it said 0.5, I put in 0.3694, 0.3694, and I clicked on compute, and it gave me the z value is 0.333442888. And I rounded that to 4 decimal places, and I did that here. And now I plug that z value in, 0.3334 equals x minus 100 over 15. I plugged in the mean, the standard deviation. First thing I did was I multiplied both sides by 15. 15 times 0.3334 is 5.001. Of course, the 15s are gone, and I added 100 to both sides. So I got an IQ score of 105.